Hey guys, this video we're going to be working on the VL with Nathan.
I got the dash in it the other night. Didn't record it because it was dark and I was using my phone for the phone light. Put the center console in and then realised I've got to take it back out again to put the carpet in, so just about to start taking that out. I've got to pull the seats out of the back. Gonna lay the carpet down and yeah. Alrighty, so just taking the bottom of the seats out. Haven't taken the center console out yet, about to take that out. And then I'm going to sweep it out with the dustpan and broom and put the carpet in. Alrighty, so I've got the carpet in, got the center console back in, got the back seat back in. I even got a door on for today. But yeah, just set a quarter panel on there. It should be all good and ready. Just gotta get a few bolts to line her up. I'm gonna put the other doors on and get some clubby wheels for it. She should be nearly done. Need a few more chrome bits, some headlights, some grille, front bar. Done a lot of work. It's been a lot of work. Might not look like much, but it's been 2 years. Finally just starting to get it back together. It's going to be good. Got another new door, needs a new mirror. The old bonnet and that there, it's broken. Got the boot there for it. Nuts and bolts and air conditioning system. I need to find some more of these to go from the aircon to the vents, and I may need a couple of vents. I think this one's still pretty good, but that one over on that side's a bit broken. It's about as clean as I could get that carpet. I've gurneyed it and sprayed it, and yeah, it's about it. But she's coming along, looking good. I want a different steering wheel for it. Need to make a few clips and bits and pieces. Still need a few interior trims, but so far so good. I'm keen. I think the mouse did when it was sitting in the shed. But other than that, it's all good. It all needs a bit of a clean.
Or does it give a bit of a wet vac?
Pull it out, hit it with the gurney.
Just gonna see if we can fit the seats out of my car, because I put leather seats in it, into his VL. Maybe, I don't know.
That's not that way, that way. Bolt holes in the front don't line up. But that'd be good, but none of the front bolt holes don't line up. Put the latch under here for the bonnet.
Oh yeah, it's moving.
All this is like all bolted in. The whole dash and everything's there, fucking. I'm gonna fix the shifter a little, but oh, that's on the gearbox for the shift linkage. It's a big cable down underneath, but I had to fix this one. I broke the last one moving, snapped all the top off it, so had to redo that. Got all the center consoles here. I need to find a pin for the. It's here somewhere when we moved it, but got that. Got that. It's just a few holes up here from when someone's bolted something in beforehand. I do need to get a brand new, well not brand new, but a new air conditioning system. Most of these here are broken. I haven't got the ducting bits that go from the actual system itself to these, and I need a few clips, fascias for here. I've got all this in. Yeah, I've just got to get a few more plastic trims and that to go around and cover the inside, but other than that, she's coming along. I need some door cards, some mirrors. I do have the front and rear windows and the rear quarter windows. I may need a few locks. Definitely need to clean the windows.
They're pretty dirty.
At the moment we're just going to be putting the doors on, putting the front quarter panels on, bolting it up, putting the boot on, and I need to get a hold of a new bonnet because where it bolts onto on the actual bonnet has rusted the inside and the nuts have fallen through, so there's nowhere to actually bolt it to anymore. So I need to get a new one of those. I do need to finish sanding and spraying the roof. But other than that,
shit on it.
we're going good. Been using it for a table this Harvey, so I didn't get a sore back sorting everything out.
There's storage in it.
Nuts and bolts, and yeah, use it for pretty much holding everything at the moment, or anything. But I'm gonna have to grab the seat to the thing. She's a bit dirty. How the hell did all that get up there?
It's a quick vac. Bit of a gurney.
Cool. Yeah, quick vacuum, she should be good. I've given this one a bit of a wash and a clean in the past and it was pretty good.
Oh, nearly fell over.
Well, watch out for the clubby wheels, mate. They're worth a fortune. It's been a while since any of this has been moved.
Bit of persuasion since it's been out in the weather.
These in for now. That's it. Come on. Straight in. Come on, mate. There we go.
Gave the VP a clean this morning. Got to do a little plug. Gave it a vacuum too, but can't really see inside. I need to get a new shifter boot. Oh, actually no, I just need to fix the clips around it because it's come loose. I did something stupid. I usually spray a tiny bit of degreaser on my car if there's grease marks just as I wash it. And I've grabbed a can of Nathan's etch primer and took it to the car wash with me. Gotten it out, shake, sprayed it on the bonnet, up the HQ, and out came etch primer, but I didn't realise because the Super Cheap sell degreaser and the etch primer, they're both red on the can, so I've just grabbed it thinking it was degreaser, and yeah, it wasn't. So I've had to race home and I grabbed some acetone on it and rubbed it, but yeah, clear coat came off with it. I'm not happy about that. You can see the difference. So I don't know if a detail will fix that, if I get someone to give it a detail, Yeah.
I pulled out and look what happened. It was like literally firm and then stopped going firm. You serious?
Is it alright? It's not going in. Is it long enough?
Yeah. Righto, attempt 2. If not, I'll just find a nut that fits it and throw her on the bottom.
Tighten that one.
I think I stripped the bolt on the floor. The joys of working with old cars. Oh. Oh, wow, it's kind of a bucket seat. It kind of feels like it hugs your ribs a little. Snapping seconds and thirds.
In your auto. Is it 3 or 4 speed?
No, 3 I think. Yeah, she's 3 speed. She. 1, 2, drive, boys.
Ouch.
Put her in race mode.
Those long gear ratio burnouts.
Yeah.
Tubbed.
Yeah, hey. Those stockies tuck heaps on it. Oh, give me those. Bam! Some spare ones. My aircon that doesn't hooked up, so it don't work. But it's sick because it'll have aircon. I think.
No.
I think these could be the wires to
Snapchat filter, how rude is that? Starting in my pocket.
for the ciggy lighter, because I can't find any plugs for the ciggy lighter, so I think they might be for the ciggy lighter. But I'm not sure. I'll have to get my multimeter from you, mate.
Not for the head unit?
No.
Like the main for the head unit?
Geez, to be honest, I don't even know where that plug is. I don't even know what the plug's supposed to look like.
What, for the radio?
Yeah.
Do you have all the plugs still on the end of the wires?
You never had a head unit in it.
Ooh. So was there wires hanging out though?
I don't know, like, there was all that shit there. There's... No. No, there's like... Well, there's this plug, but it doesn't reach. But other than that, like, oh, just there you can see it at the bottom. Like, there's that one there, but like, it's short, like, it doesn't go anywhere.
Oh, smash me shoulder.
I need a passenger seat. If anyone has a passenger seat, they just want to donate for the project, you know. Help us out.
Closer to 4610 the better.
Yeah. Even some chrome trim. Hook us up. I definitely need to redo the windows. All this stuff's old, dry and breaking on most of the windows, so I've got to redo the windows at one stage. I've got to try and clean the windows for a start. I've actually got to take this off. Can you get me a 27mm socket?
Oh, 27 long socket. Where is it? I can give you a 24.
Yeah, give me that. That might work. Righto, so...
Is it?
Nah, give me a 20.
I'll give you a 21 and a 19.
I'll give you a 21. Because I reckon it's going to be the 19. Oh no, give me 23.
I can give you a 22.
Yeah, try that. There we go, and the big ratchy, please. That's right, I didn't put it on that.
So I get a drift steering wheel from Super Cheap, little cheapie.
No, I'll be like all the other boys and just go and get a wood grain one because I'm a sick cunt.
Yeah, do it. Get a new one, new wood grain one.
Watch out, watch out.
Some weird colour. Go and switch yourself on the jaw, damn it. Put it in the VP, will it suit? I don't think.
I don't think so, but we still need it for now. Right, what do I need? I need to go into my box of goodies. Turn upside down.
If you want to see more of us working on the Nathan's VL, comment down below and let us know, because we can do bulk videos. As you can see, there's lots of work to be done, so we can maybe even make it a series, or I don't know, something.
Let us know what you want to see.
Yeah.
Righto, so when I got this door, they've cut the hinges. So I've now got to get the handy little peg that I had, which is just there and there, and I didn't wreck the door. The last couple of doors I've done that on, I've accidentally torn into it with the pin. Alright, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, just made it enough, guys. Just for now, these are going in. I'm going to have to go and get some new ones. No, still didn't get that up. There we go, what's wrong with you? Oh. Alrighty, so I've just gotten the front quarter panels on. I do have to get a few more hardware for it to bolt it all up properly, but it is all there for now. Bolted up to the nose cone. in probably the next episode, I'll probably most likely be trying to figure out why this won't run at the moment. I did have it running, but I've run into a few issues. We'll get to that in the next video. Other than that, it's pretty much seats in, got a whole heap more tools and that in there, just storage with the rear seats, but she's starting to look like a car again. I can't wait to actually drive it properly. I got to drive it off the trailer with a busted shift solenoid, and I think the gearbox was just, it had its time because it was all revs and no go. But she won't be, by the time I'm finished with it, she'll be all go. Lots of revs.